MPSC 2026 full syllabus and exam pattern. According to Meghalaya Public Service Commission, this selection is through screening test MCQ. Exam pattern 2026, subject-wise, English, 100 marks, general knowledge and current affairs, 80 marks, aptitude 30, reasoning 40, basic computer 50, total 300. Exam type will be objective, MCQ, mode written screening test. Detailed syllabus, subject-wise, English, 100 marks, which include grammar, tense, voice, narration, vocabulary, synonyms and antonyms, idiom and phrases, comprehension passage, error detection, sentence formation. General knowledge and current affairs is 80 marks, Indian history and freedom movement, geography, India plus Meghalaya, Indian polity and constitution, economic basic concept, science, physics, chemistry, biology basic. General knowledge of Meghalaya, very important. Current affair lasts 6 to 12 months. Aptitude 30 marks, which include number system, percentage, profit and loss, ratio and proportion, time and work, time, speed and distance, simple and compound interest. Reasoning 40 marks, analogy, series, number and alphabets, coding, decoding, blood relation, direct test, direction test, puzzle and sitting arrangement, syllogism. Basic computer 50 marks, fundamental computer, MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Internet and email, hardware and software basic, input-output devices, computer abbreviation. Exam update 2026 LDA exam is scheduled under MPSC program for 2026, conducted for head of department. Preparation for tips, which is very important. Focus on English plus general knowledge, which is highest marks. Practice previous question paper, daily current affair, Meghalaya plus India. Revise basic math formula, practice mock tests regularly.